Was born and raised here. I farmed south of Fairbury, Illinois. My dad actually came to this farm, I think, in the 40s. Over the years, it's changed. I grew up with a moldboard plow and a lot of tillage, and now we're basically corn and soybean rotation. Grow a little alfalfa in the watershed project. So it just seemed like a good project to get into. Well, I started out on the steering committee, so I got my feet wet that way, and they've had some real good field days and good speakers and just good projects that take a look at and have been interesting. Well, every year is different, of course, when in the farming game, but started no-tilling our beans, and we've stayed with that. It's worked good for us. A few years ago, we added strip tillage in the fall and plant into the strips in the spring, so we don't do too much tillage that way either. And saved on labor, saved on machinery, and time. We started split applying our nitrogen. We were mainly fall applying anhydrous, but we went to some fall applied and some side dressed. I'm sure it's helped, It gives us a chance to maybe apply a little more or apply a little less. And we've done some soil tests to see how much nitrogen is available and kind of based our side dress off of that. And we put in more filter strips that border our Indian Creek, so I really think that helps clean the water during heavy rains or the bad storms, filters the water some through the grass before it gets into the creek and helps hold the banks to the streams. I think we all want to do the right thing as far as the cleaning the water up and everybody having a good water source. Technology is something that has really come aboard big time in agriculture, and most of us are using that technology, and by our soil tests and how we apply, with the GPS technology, it helps us save some money, and it has to help the environment. We aren't applying as much, and we're doing it in a better way. Well, I hope it'll continue. My son, hopefully will start to farm in the future, and the younger generation, I hope will carry it on in some form.